What's up everybody, it's me Pedro from Judgment Day Fitness, and yes, I know I said Judgment Day Fitness, and the title of this video is going to be something along the lines of 5 businesses to start in 2020. I know, that's crazy, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take a little, just a little step away from the fitness stuff. I said, last year I had said that I wanted to start making videos that weren't all fitness themed, and that's what I'm going to do, but I promise there will be a fitness themed video coming out on Saturday because that's how often I'm posting, every Wednesday and Saturday. So you can go ahead and subscribe just to, make sure that I'm held accountable to that. And with that being said, let's get started on this video because I want to help you guys out. Alright, before I start this video and give you those 5 business ideas, just have to do a quick little plug. I do customized workout programs, $25 each, and I'll give you $5 per person that you successfully refer to me, and there's no limit on that. You can refer 100 people to me, I'll give you 500 bucks, okay? Successfully, of course. So, also my Instagram and Twitter are in the description below, along with my email. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Check out my email if you would like to get in contact with me regarding a personalized workout program, customized to your schedule, customized to your injuries, goals, any medical issues you may have. I will help you out. Also, subscribe to this channel because I'm posting every single Wednesday and Saturday from now to the foreseeable future. And I got some crazy stuff coming to you guys. And I can't wait to bring it up to you guys. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. So, with that being said, here's business number 1. Alright, so the first thing you can do to make money in 2020, and yes, I promise you, I intended to make that rhyme. The first thing you can do is start up an Etsy shop. I know what a lot of you are saying, hey, I'm not artistic. Well, that's the thing, I'm not either. And I haven't done this yet, but I know it could work, okay? So one thing you could do is you can make origami. And I know what you're saying, I don't know how to do origami. Well, that's the thing, there's plenty of YouTube tutorials, there's plenty of book tutorials, there's plenty of crazy things that you can do or ways to find out about how to make origami. And I wasn't very artistic with it at all, and I ended up inventing my own pattern, which was pretty cool. And anyways, another thing I had an idea for was to make scenery out of it. So maybe put I don't know, a cool African-ish background maybe, and gluing it onto the background, like a lion or giraffes and stuff like that. I don't know. You get where I'm going with this, right? So that's something you can do, is you can, just be creative with it, and people will appreciate that. If there's a producer, which would be you, then there will be a consumer, which would be the people on Etsy. So you don't have to stop at Etsy too. You can go on eBay, you can go on Amazon. Well, I don't think you go on Amazon for that, but you can go on eBay, you can go on Craigslist, you can do all kinds of crazy stuff. There's plenty of places to sell it, but Etsy is probably the biggest one, or probably the main one that you'd want to consider. Alright, now the second thing that you can do to make money in 2020 is you can become a dating profile organizer or a coach or something along those lines. You can come up with a more creative term than I can, and I'm sure people would pay for it. There's lots of lonely people out there. We just had Valentine's Day. People are all in their feelings because, they didn't have a girlfriend or boyfriend for Valentine's Day. So something you can do is, a lot of people don't make good dating profiles, and that's just a straight up fact. And some people will be willing, if you said, hey, let me look at your profile, you said, hey, give me $5 and I'll optimize your profile. Or there's a lady in New York, this is something I've just heard of, and there's a lady in New York that she makes the profile for you. She talks to someone, with your approval, you say, hey, yes, that's an attractive girl, I want to go on a date with her, and she will, get you a date with him. And then she'll turn it over to you, give you all the messages and stuff, and to this day, she has never been discovered, and they think it's the same person. So that's something you could do. I think it'd be fun, you get to know other people, and you get to play, I don't know, you get to play puppeteer, I guess. It depends on the way you look at it, but I can guarantee you, again, if you're a producer, there will be a consumer for that. Alright, now the third option I have for you guys is to become a YouTuber, but I know a lot of you are saying, hey, I don't want to put my face on a YouTube, or hey, I don't want to, maybe I don't have the ideas for YouTube, or maybe I already have a YouTube channel, it's not going anywhere. Something you can do is make what I call cash cow fail videos and stuff like that, those compilation videos. I've probably said this before, but those compilation videos you're up till 4 a.m. watching, they're like 30 minutes of straight up fails, wins, drunk fails, drunk wins, stuff like that. You could easily make those videos. They're so easy. You just download other videos, break them up, reorganize them, put some videos with other videos, put them in a compilation, and there you go. And so the thing is, YouTube will actually start to promote those videos. You'll see them in the recommendations tabs more often. You'll see, you get multiple commercials if they're over 10 minutes, and that's the thing, YouTube loves to promote them because a lot of people like watching them. It keeps them on the YouTube website. They can put multiple ads on them. So it's definitely a great idea to start that. I definitely tried, but I got too busy and too bored with it. But I definitely suggest that you guys try it. Alright, so the fourth thing that you can do is become what I call a foreign food supplier. And no, it doesn't have to be food. No, it doesn't have to be foreign. There are certain things in Florida, certain foods and stuff where I live, where you won't find in, say, California, Oregon, Ohio, stuff like that. So what you can do is you can find a way to market these foods that you could just walk down the street to the dollar store and buy. You can find a way to get those foods and advertise them and say, hey, you want this, to people that are, you know, all the way across the country. Ship it to them for a profit. Okay, because there's a lot of foods that I've seen on TV, or not TV, but maybe, you know, other places that I'd like to try myself. Now, would I pay for it? Probably not, but that's because I'm a cheapskate. So maybe other people would, though. That's the thing. You see those videos about, oh, Koreans try American food, Americans try Korean food, Japanese food, Chinese food, all that stuff. That's something that could become marketed in a business. So if you live in a foreign country, if you know, are near a shop that imports those foods as well, find a way to market it, find a way to sell it, and find a way to ship it over there, and you could have a great business going. All right, now the fifth business idea that I have for you guys is to become a stylist. No, you don't have to go to fashion school and become a professional stylist. There are plenty of YouTube channels on here that give out free advice on style tips and stuff. So there was something I had seen on TikTok a few days ago, because I follow a lot of the business pages and stuff, and it showed up in my suggestions. This girl, what she'll do is someone will say, here's $200, give me the boho look or whatever, and she'll go out and she'll pick up some stuff for $200, show them like, you know, 5 or 6 different outfits or combinations that they can make with it, and she'll ship it to them for a profit. So if you like to shop, if you like to, you know, if you care about fashion maybe, or if you're just bored or something, you could definitely do that. Now, of course, you have to find a way to put yourself out there, so I definitely suggest that you take a lot of Instagram photos and show that you have a good sense of style as well. But I just thought that was really cool, and, you know, if this whole thing doesn't work out, maybe I will do that too. So anyways, that's going to wrap up these 5 different business ideas for 2020. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I seriously appreciate it. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. I will be posting every single Wednesday and Saturday from now to the foreseeable future, so I would love for you guys to subscribe and come along on this ride with me. Also, I got some crazy stuff coming to you guys. I know I say that all the time, but I mean it. I mean it. I'm going to try and do my first vlog on Saturday. So with that being said, I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a great day, but also do me a favor, comment your favorite business idea, or maybe comment an idea that you have. I'd always love to make another video like this. And so with that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.